Hello traders, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about daily stock market update, and we will figure out, is it bearish reversal signal, what's going on with the stock market world on a daily time frame. Now let's move as usually to 5 rules of risk management, and remember, read it and follow it every single trade and you will be successful. Now let's move to VBull index chart. Let's start Dow Jones. Straight bull run, right? 1.16%, very nice bull run. S&P 500, same very nice bull run, almost 1% up. Nasdaq was kind of volatile. It started plus 0.5%, it did go negative minus 0.25%, and it closed positive plus 0.5%. And on the same level, it was some volatility during the day. And now let's move to our charts and let's go to my watch list and we will do technical analysis review as usually. And we are going to use daily time frame. For swing trading, I'm using daily time frame for entry and exit position. Okay, if you want to learn more about VBull setup, just go to the description. There is the link about VBull setup training and other links about all my trainings. Also, let me briefly mention about it. I'm using moving averages. White line it's MA 200, yellow line MA 20, red line MA 10, green line MA 5. MACD indicators lines, RSI indicators lines, and awesome oscillator bars. That's all, very simple. Nothing special, it is very simple. It's not easy because emotions are involved. But if you follow the indicators, you will be successful because indicators do not have emotions. And just follow the market trend. Look at it. Green line, MA5. When bars below a green line, it's a bearish trend. When bars above green line, above MA5, it is bullish trend. What we observed, the DXY daily time frame, for last 3 days, it closed below MA5, even at MA10. It is weak. It can bounce from MA10. We'll see, will it bounce from MA10? Last bar, it's kind of bearish reversal bar. It's tail bar, it's very big bar. Everything can happen in the market because all indicators still positive, still bullish. But position of the bars, it's already getting weaker, and it was rejected from 200. You see this bar, it touched 200 and was rejected. Still about 20, and it was very disconnected from 20. Maybe it will continue to go sideways and it will wait for 20 to connect to 20 and will bounce from 20. Absolutely possible. So far, still in a positive territory. Qs. Let's start Qs. Daily time frame. Qs daily time frame. Let me maximize it. Make sure you have a nice picture. Maximize it. Last bar still below MA5, 10 and 20, below yellow line, right? It is still bearish trend on all indicators bearish. No changes for last 3 days, trading days. 4 hours, same story. Last bar below MA 10 and 20. Still in the bearish territory. Awesome oscillator green, all other indicators bearish. 1 hour time frame for Qs. 1 hour time frame, last hour, last bar moved above MA 20 and 200. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and 20. It is positive bullish signal on all indicators on 1 hour time frame. Maybe it wants to go, it wants bounce and wants to go and close this gap. You see we have here over it left gap, like $3 gap. Someday it should be closed, but we'll see. MA20 below 200, it is very negative, it is very bearish when MA20 below 200. Signal on 1 hour time frame is positive. Now let's move to VXN. VXN volatility index, still bullish territory, it is bearish for Qs. VXN was minus 5.5%. No fear. No fear on the Nasdaq market. SPX, S&P 500. Daily time frame, MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 20, last bar below 20. It is still bearish territory, also left gap down like Qs, right? All indicators bearish on daily time frame. Let's see 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame, all indicators bearish except awesome oscillator. And last bar above MA5, but still below 10 and 20, still bearish territory. And 1 hour time frame, it is positive, right? Last 2 hours, similar like Qs, it did bullish crossover over 20, and now bars in a positive bullish territory above all moving averages. Same, it can bounce and close this gap, absolutely possible, and do reversal. All indicators positive. VIX, let's move to VIX. VIX minus 8% today, almost 7.75% today. Negative, still in a positive bullish trend. It is negative for S&P 500. Dow Jones, let's start Dow Jones daily. Dow Jones daily very positive today, plus 1%, right? It did bounce from MA20 and today it closed above all moving averages. Now it's again in the positive territory. Even RSI did bullish crossover. All other indicators still bearish. Dow did some positive run. Could be a bull trap. 4 hours time frame, last bar moved above all moving averages in the positive territory. RSI, MACD still bearish, awesome oscillator green bullish. 1 hour time frame, last multiple bars above all moving averages. It is positive bullish signal on 1 hour time frame. VXD plus at the same time, Dow plus 1% and VXD plus 5%. Very disconnected. VXD volatility index for Dow still positive, also bullish. It is negative for Dow. It means Dow, it's a fake run. It was fake run today because volatility tells us no, Dow should go bearish. We'll see. IWM, let's start daily. IWM, MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and last bar below 20. It is bearish territory, bearish trend, bearish reversal signal on all indicators, bearish trend on daily. Nothing happened for last 4 trading days. 4 hours time frame, last bar below MA5, 10 and 20, still bearish trend. It also left 2 gaps down, but it is in a bearish territory on all indicators. 1 hour time frame, MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and last bar above MA5 and 10. Still below 20, but it's kind of, it's trying to make some bullish run. Now let's move to Apple. Remember, Apple, the most largest company in the world. $3 trillion, right? And now it's in a very bearish reversal position. It means something going on with the economy, with the technology market. It's not because of the company, it's because of the something with the market. It is very negative, bearish reversal. Bearish reversal on all indicators. It left 2 gaps down and it's still in a bearish trend. Last bar disconnected from A5, 10 and 20. Bearish trend on daily, 4 hours time frame. Same bearish trend on all indicators. Previous bar, it touched 200. We'll see, it can bounce from 200. because it's still disconnected from 5 and 10 and 20. 1 hour time frame. It was kind of flat, connected back to MA5, and it's waiting to connect back to 20. We'll see, will it wait and connect back to 20, or it will bounce and connect to 20, or it will do sideways to wait for 20. Awesome oscillator, already green bullish. Tesla. Let's see Tesla. Tesla daily time frame. Tesla daily time frame, MA5 and 10 and bars did bearish crossover and below 20. All indicators bearish trend. 4 hours time frame, MA5, 10 and bars below 20, also bearish trend on all indicators. And 1 hour time frame for Tesla, it did some bounce. It was oversold on RSI and did bounce on RSI and awesome oscillator. All indicators that did bounce, it's still below 20. Maybe it will connect 20 and it will be rejected. So far it's kind of nice momentum, positive momentum in the bearish territory. BABA, let's see what's going on with BABA. BABA daily, MA5 did bearish crossover already, over 10. Bearish reversal signal, it touched 20, maybe it will bounce from 20 or it will continue bearish. MACD, RSI, all indicators in bearish reversal trend. Still about 20, but signal already bearish. 4 hours time frame, MA5 and 10 and bars below 20, it is bearish confirmed bearish reversal signal on all indicators for Alibaba Group for BABA. 1 hour time frame, MA5, 10 and bars below 20, they did bullish crossover, kind of positive. They're trying to do positive signal, but they still in the bearish territory and bearish position. Awesome oscillator, green, positive. Now let's move to NVIDIA. NVIDIA today is positive. Let's see daily. Let's see NVIDIA. Last bar still below. Hard to see, right? Last bar still below MA20 and MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 20. Still bearish reversal signal on all indicators on daily time frame. On 4 hours time frame, last bar still below 20 and all indicators still bearish except awesome oscillator. On 1 hour time frame it is positive, right? Last bar moved above all moving averages. It is in the bullish positive territory on all indicators. NVIDIA and 1 hour time frame it is positive in positive position, but signal and money-wise trend is flat, right? You see for the 3 days it's a flat trend, but it's about 20, above MA20, above yellow line. MACD still below zero line. We'll see. Microsoft is kind of weak, right? Microsoft kind of weak. Let's see. On daily time frame, MA5 and 10 bearish, last bar below all moving averages except 200, bearish trend on all indicators on daily. 4 hours, MA5 still below, last bar still at MA5 level, bearish trend on all indicators except awesome oscillator on 4 hours time frame. And 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame it did bullish crossover, MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and 20, last bar about 5, 10 and 20. Positive bullish signal on 1 hour time frame for Amazon. It looks like it wants to bounce. I'm sorry, Amazon for Microsoft. I'm thinking about Amazon and just let me edit Amazon to my watch list, right? Let's see. Amazon. Let's start daily. Amazon daily. It did gap up, nice bull run. Look at it. It's a bullish trend. At the same time, MACD bearish divergence. Let me show you. It's a new security. Let me show you how it works. Look at it. MACD downtrend, right? Bearish divergence. RSI downtrend, bearish divergence. Awesome oscillator downtrend, bearish divergence. It means this bull run, it is a bull trap. It is a bull trap. We'll see how long it will handle this bull run. Maybe it will continue bullish very strong and it will destroy these bearish divergences, but so far it has multiple bearish divergences. If it's not going to continue bullish run, it will destroy, it will turn to bearish reversal signal. So far it's still positive, but anything can happen in the market. So far still positive in the bearish with bearish divergences. 4 hours time frame, still bullish on all indicators with bearish divergences. And 1 hour time frame also bullish, with bearish divergences. It wants to kind of flat on 1 hour time frame. Huge gap, $10 gap, and I believe it will be closed. It will drop to the MA 200 easily. I believe it is bull trap. We'll see. Let's do summary. So far, all indexes still in the bearish territory on daily time frame. Bars still below 20, still bearish trend on daily time frame. On short time frame, on 1 hour, they did kind of positive bullish reversal signal, but 1 hour time frame it is expected because market never goes down straight line. It has some bounce, right? That's why it was kind of oversold and we had bounce. And let me repeat again, Qs, S&P, IWM very negative. Dow is kind of bearish, but it moved to positive territory just today. We'll see. And again, Apple is the biggest company in the world, and it did drop. It did drop very heavily. Very strong drop. Something going on. Be careful. And it's the weakest month of the year. September, August, and October. We are in the weakest season. It's a seasonality. Please be careful. Market can go in both directions. And so far, it's still no fear on the market. No fear on the market. Volatility index is still so cheap, so low. No changes. Let's move to disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational and informational purposes only. And remember, for educational purpose, we are using paper trading simulator as long as we need to get constantly profitable trader. That's all. Please read it. Thank you for watching simple trading style videos. I do publish daily updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, and cryptos. Please subscribe to YouTube channel. Click like button to support this channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.